Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to install WordPress on domain in cPanel. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in cPanel. Now you see we are in software section and then you see WordPress manager. So open it. Now you see WordPress management and then you see install button. So click on it. Now WordPress setup open. And then you see install section. Now you see software setup, choose installation URL. Now you see drop down, select, so you can select domain according to your requirement. So we can select this domain, so you can select domain according to your requirement. Now select. Now you see in directory WP, so remove it. So we are not going to install WordPress on subdomain or subfolder. Now you see choose the version you want to install WordPress. Now select latest version WordPress and then you see your installation URL. So this is our domain. Now you see choose protocol, drop down, you see HTTP, HTTPS. If you have SSL certificate on your domain, then select HTTPS, otherwise select HTTP. So I select HTTPS because we have SSL certificate on domain. And then you see site setting, so you can add site name, then you can add site description. Also you see admin account, so you can add username, password according to your requirement. Also you can add your email address. Now scroll down, you see choose language. Now drop down select, so you can select language according to your requirement. I select English. Now you see select plugin, so it's not compulsory. If you want, you can enable. So this plugin installed by default after WordPress installation done. Now scroll down, you see advanced option, so click on it and then you see database name. So if you want, you can add database name according to your requirement. So this is default database name and this is table prefix. Also you see other option. Now you see select theme, so click on it. If you want, you can select theme from here and then you see install. Also you see email installation detail too. So if you want to add your email here, then email installation detail send to your email and then click on install. Now you see checking the submitted data, installation done, and then you see message, congratulations, the software was installed successfully. So this is WordPress domain, so open it. Now you see WordPress installation done. Back to setting again and now you see administrative URL, so click on it. So by using this URL WP admin, you can access WordPress dashboard. Now you see. Now log out. So this is our domain. If you want to access WordPress dashboard, now write here WP admin. Now you see admin page open. Then you can add username and password and then click on login. So in this way you can install WordPress on domain in cPanel. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.